So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off these scissors, and I'm going to copy this top part. So I'm going to click this icon right here, marks, and I'm going to click this icon right here, set new mark window, and I'm going to go around like that. And then now what I can do is I can right mouse, go to mark mode, right mouse, go to mark mode, turn this on, right mouse click here, edit, duplicate, and then we'll have a duplicate right here. So now I have icons over here for flipping this, so I'm going to click right here to flip it, and we basically made a mirror image, and I can just come over here and set it right there. There we go. So I'm going to come over here, clear all my marks, turn off mark mode, turn off this. You see we only have one, we only have the two trending tools thing we copied. That's because we have the clipboard shown. So you can go back and forth between clipboard and this first icon is the actual view sections. So we want to go to the original view sections, not because this is on a clipboard right now. You can have many items on the clipboard, but I'll come over here to view sections, and I'll turn this back on, and there's our scissors. Turn my background off. Now the next thing we have to do is the text down here, hair supplier. That's super small. First off, let's change our height to 60. Let's actually change our width to 60, so we're not doing anything larger than 60. And we'll show the stitches. Turn this off. Take a look at it here. Looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is, hair suppliers is way too small. So unfortunately what I'm going to have to do is, I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to turn this off. And I'm going to come in the mark modes. I'm going to mark just this by itself. And then I'm going to make it just a bit bigger. Right about like that. I'm going to put it right about there. I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to show all my colors. Let's turn off our mark modes so we don't have to look at that. So that's a lot better right there. Much better. So now what I can do, we'll just say hair supplier. So unfortunately the cursive probably isn't going to work either because it's going to be so small. Unless this is going to be for a jacket bag, you know, if this is for caps or for a patch or something, then that's just going to be way too small. So I'm going to pick something else. Again, the problem is it's so small. You know, you might be better off not even putting this in there if you can get away with it because it looks so good without it. You know, we can go with this one for now. Alright, so what I'm going to do is accept that. I'm going to hit escape. And you see all these locks that are around here. What I'm going to do is do right mouse click. I'm going to unlock all after. I'm going to turn my horizontal lock on. And I'm going to drag these over. Okay, now I'm going to lock all letters. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click this one. I'm going to unlock all after. I'm going to drag this over here. And then we'll click this. I'm just going to kind of, you know, fix it a little bit. All right, that looks a lot better. So I'm going to zoom out a bit. I'm going to come here to my mark mode, I'm going to move these over just like that. See, it's just so big, the hair supplier words, that you know, you might be better off taking it out if your customer is okay with that, because if we're doing it for a patch or, you know, jacket, or excuse me, a hat, it's gonna be way too small. We're just adding too much in there with that extra line. But you know, you would have to talk to your customer about that. There we go. So that's a general idea on how you would do that design there.